Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are trying to connect a Bluetooth device to your Meta Quest headset, but your device just isn't showing up and you keep seeing the no unpaired Bluetooth devices found message, don't worry. This is actually a very common issue and in most cases you can fix it in just a couple of minutes. Here's what you need to do. The first thing you need to check is whether your Bluetooth device is already connected to another device, like your phone, tablet, or computer. This is something a lot of people don't realize. If you have paired your headphones, keyboard, or any other Bluetooth device with your phone before, it will usually reconnect to that phone automatically as soon as you turn it on. When that happens, your MetaQuest can't detect it because it's already busy communicating with another device. So if possible, turn off Bluetooth on the phone, tablet or computer that your Bluetooth device was previously connected to. That will stop it from reconnecting automatically. Now turn your MetaQuest Bluetooth off first. Then go to General menu, tap Power and restart your MetaQuest. Once it turns back on, open settings again, go to Bluetooth and turn it on again. Now tap on scan next to other devices. This time your Bluetooth device should appear in the list. Simply tap here and your Bluetooth device should connect to your MetaQuest without any problem. That's all it takes to fix the no unpaired Bluetooth device found issue on your MetaQuest headset. If this video helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more MetaQuest tips and troubleshooting videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.